The Mitsubishi Delica for the year 2025 is this. It is widely anticipated that the 2025 Delica will continue Mitsubishi's tradition of manufacturing vehicles with all-wheel drive systems and off-road capability. The 2025 Delica is an attempt to bridge the gap between the brand's long history of producing reliable and adaptable vehicles and the demands of modern drivers through the integration of various cutting-edge technologies and contemporary comforts. There will probably be a lot of new and improved features in the 2025 Delica compared to the last version. Based on patterns and developments in prior Delica models, I can provide a realistic prediction for 2025, even if my information is only current as of 2023. Although it will retain its practical and tough nature, the 2025 Mitsubishi Delica is expected to have a number of distinctive outward features that are in line with current design trends. The vehicle's front end will probably have a bigger, bolder grille that makes a statement, adding to its contemporary style. The Delica is anticipated to have an attractive and practical lighting configuration that enhances visibility and aesthetics thanks to the use of sophisticated LED technology in the headlights and daytime running lights, DRL. It is highly probable that the boxy design and unique aerodynamic profile of the Delica will remain, with the addition of strong angles and lines giving the vehicle a powerful and intimidating appearance. Improved fuel economy and a more commanding appearance are two benefits of aerodynamic upgrades. Moreover, roof rails or roof boxes are available as design options to accommodate additional goods. The 2025 Delica's back end will likely include ultra-contemporary LED taillights with clean, straight lines and sharp angles for a more unified and futuristic appearance. The availability of a diesel engine as an alternative to the more fuel-efficient gasoline engine in the 2025 Delica may be contingent upon consumer demand. Car performance and gas mileage are sure to see major improvements as engineers strive for power efficiency parity. These upgrades are anticipated to satisfy a diverse group of buyers, including those who value efficiency in daily driving above everything else, and those who desire strong off-road performance. All things considered, the 2025 Mitsubishi Delica is expected to bring a vehicle that combines modernity with heritage, maintaining the reputation of the company for dependable, adaptable, and futuristic styling.